The next look in this Halloween season is this Baby Boo makeup based off the incredible artwork of Callowlily linked below. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss all the looks coming up next. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're starting with a pair of my favorite primal lenses. And now that we have our eyes in and our hair up out of the way, we're going to start covering our skin in Graftobium water activated face and body paint in Graveyard Gray. I'll be linking that and all the materials used today in the description below. Next, I'm blending in a yellow paint in the area around the eyes. Next, in the centers, tap in some red body paint, keeping the edges light. Ensure that it's completely dry for blending. Next, layer a reddish-orange eyeshadow onto the red portions and blend out the edges. Follow that by adding a deep yellow shadow onto the yellow portions and blend into the red edges. Add some of the red body paint topped with the red shadow to the centers of your lips. Going in with a gray shadow, sculpt the sides of your face to add dimension and narrow. Next, use the same gray to contour the nose. Follow that by sculpting onto the neck and the forehead as well. For extra effect, tap an ultra-fine gold glitter onto the yellow areas of the face and seal with a setting spray. With a fine brush and raven black body paint, start adding in the stitches and detail areas. It really helps me to have an image of Callowlily's artwork for reference, but you're aiming for jack-o'-lantern. For the brows, line the top and the bottom connecting at the outer point with the black and fill in the outer half. For the start of the brows, add vertical lines that blend off into the solid filled portions of the brow. Next, fully line the inner corners of your eyes. These dots you see me placing are for reference points for the ends of different lines that I'm going to be connecting. It helps me to see where I'm going to be placing everything. Then just play connect the dots. Fill it all in. Once I'm happy with all of the points and the lines, I'll be lining my waterline. Now, because the body paint is water activated, I'm going to be sure to line my waterline with an actual black eye pencil instead of the body paint. Add a tiny dot of gold shimmer into the center of your nose. To finish the eyes, add a pair of dramatic lashes and the look is complete, unless you really want to emulate the artwork and then just add a luscious long white wig to complete the effect. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I know that you have a huge selection to choose from here on YouTube, and I'm just so very grateful each and every time you decide to watch one of my videos. I'll see you next time.